want to make a short little video on this John Deere 314. So I do actually have another video from last year where I took this Kohler motor out and completely rebuilt it. So watch for that. It shouldn't be too long before it's up on the channel. But right now I'm working on changing the transmission fluid. It's pretty simple on these old tractors. So it helps if the deck is off, but you've got this tube here that connects right here and right up top here, and then you've got an oil filter that sits right here on these threads. So all you do, and you want to jack this back end up a little bit to kind of help gravity let all the fluid flow down and out, but you're going to crack this fitting here, back it off, and that fluid will start leaking out. And then what you can do, get off the floor there, come around to the back where your fill's at. It's got a little cap on here. Take that off, and that'll let the air, kind of get sucked in as that fluid's being sucked out. And let all that drain, take your oil filter off, put everything back together, and then you're just going to start filling it up here. Not quite sure how I'm going to get down to that to fill it, but I'll figure something out. Then you've got a sight tube here, and you want to put oil in there until the sight tube is half full. And then you're going to run the tractor for a few minutes, come back here, check it again, and add more if you have to. Now, this is a early 1980s, and it was recommended to run, I think, type F transmission fluid in it back then. But now they recommend the John Deere High Guard. I think the all-weather. Well, my John Deere dealer's closed this weekend, so ran to Tractor Supply. You got this universal premium tractor fluid. Now it does meet the John Deere J20C requirements. The High Guard all-weather is actually J20D, but that's really only if you're going to run this thing in winter. In the winter time, I'm going to do mostly spring, summertime work with it, so I'm not too worried about getting the high viscosity fluid in there. But anyways, that's a quick little video on how to do that transmission fluid. You guys watch for the rebuild video on this engine, and yeah, thanks for watching.